Hey, so we do have Amay Bhattal, are pretty much like क्या बोलूँ अभी वो कर लिया ना
Unscripted.
Yeah, it's pretty much unscripted, which is untouched. हमको ऐसे लगता है कि like it's been untouched in Indian culture. So, hi, Amay.
Hello, good afternoon.
So, tell us about yourself first. तो अपने viewers को पहले जानना पड़ेगा कि आप कौन हो.
I am Amay Bhatkal. I am 23 years old.
हाँ.
I'm a professional footballer. I've represented many Indian clubs, starting from the second division I League, and then I played the I League qualifiers too, a few months ago. So yeah, I'm here with my friend Nilesh Bisht, and Nilesh will tell something about himself now.
Nothing about myself. Like he said one day कि like let's do this thing, and I think so. Indians and a lot of our crowd need to know about what goes through. Like we see sportsmen playing, and we see we see as them as a machine. Like, oh, why he is in score or what is happening. So I just wanted to know clearly कि what is running in their mind when they do things. Like for first question for me is like, and I'm damn sure like a lot of people have that question. What exactly happens? You have been trained for your life, right?
Yeah.
So you trained for your life like from childhood. How was your family support? What exactly? I'm not telling that you have gone through a lot, but what do you think? Like what? And be comfortable to speak in English, Hindi, anything.
Yeah, I mean we've decided to keep it in English.
Okay.
That's our main.
Yeah, that has been decided right now.
so like our emotions are very raw.
Okay.
So it's not filtered. Like when you're talking in Hindi and English, that's how we regularly talk. It's a mix of Hindi, English, Marathi, and every other language there is. So it'll be to the core.
So what other language you speak?
Love language. Language of love.
That is a necessary language. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So that was my question. Like how did you being a sportsman? Like I know you. Like a lot of people don't know you. You come from a family who plays sport and everything. So how was your growing up?
So growing up, I would say my parents were like very keen on letting their kids do what they wanted to do from day one, and it started with my brother. Like he's a professional cricketer. Like he's been playing for a lot of teams, and like on a very good level. If you have to compare it with like other sports, like cricket is a standard for everything in India.
Yeah, India for sure.
So yeah.
Even I wanted to be a cricketer, but yeah, you're right. Go ahead.
Yeah. So it all started when you see yourself grow and you see someone there on a pedestal. You want to be like that person. And for me, it was my brother. So I saw him playing cricket, and my father was very keen on like involving himself with giving us practice, may it be anywhere, like in a building, even at our place, we used to play one dup out. It's called one dup out. Right?
Yeah, everyone knows about one dup out.
So it's like first we started with the rubber ball, then things started to break and stuff. Then my mom was like, no, ye nahi chalega.
Yeah.
And then we improvised. We got a sponge ball.
No, but like this thing arises one question like, how important is a family role in a sportsman's life? Like is it like we have seen like movies like Dangal and all, and you have seen parents forcing their kids to be that thing? Or was it with you like it was been imposed that no, you have to play sports?
Not at all. To be honest, not at all, because like I said, like from day one, like my mom and dad were like,
yeah, and I like to tell my viewers like this person is a graduate. Okay, he is very good in accountings and everything, but I see him playing sports. Sorry to interrupt. Go ahead.
So the thing is, my mom and dad were like you want to play sports, you play sports, but you have to complete your studies so that like it would complement what you're doing.
Got it.
Because if you want to play at some level, you have to socialize. You have to know things about where you are. Like for say, there's a contract coming in,
Got it.
and you are not very good at that language, or you don't know how you talk to your fellow teammates.
Right.
All these things you get to know when you go out there. You go to school, you go to college, you meet 10 hundreds of people,
Got it.
and you learn that process of getting to know people and involving yourself in other activities. That's how I think you develop that character to put that into sports.
Okay.
So my mom and dad were like, दोनों करना है.
Wow.
करना है तो दोनों करना है, नहीं तो ये नहीं होगा. So that's how it worked. Like if you want to play sports, you'll have to study, and with that they didn't have any objection of where I played, wherever I played, however I played.
Okay.
And the thing you asked about the pressure thing,
huh?
it was never there. It was never there.
No, like not slightly, but like oh no, you have to do better or something.
Yeah, that thing I think every Indian household has. कि अरे if अरे तू और अच्छा खेल सकता था. I mean, I think it's wired into every household there is in India.
I agree. Yeah.
Because even if you have like scored 3 goals, अरे but you know that pass you made there. Or
and I agree with you on that.
Yeah, and sometimes my brother used to score hundreds. One time he scored a double century when we were playing.
Yeah, for the people listening, like Amma's brother plays cricket and he's pretty good at it. Continue. I'm sorry. Again.
Yeah. So, so this one time my brother scored a double century. Okay, we were playing a team, and it was a decent team, not a bad team too. He was at it like tremendous inning he played, but like the Indian parents are like, oh, I mean, वो shot तुमने खेला, थोड़ा वो बाहर का बॉल छोड़ना चाहिए था. So they have an insight on what you're doing. मतलब ये करना चाहिए था. And that is, I think I don't know how to say it, but like every Indian, it's an Indian thing.
Right.
I don't know how it's like outside. It's an Indian thing.
Exactly. And not only in sports. I think so. We are more in every fucking. Sorry for the language, but yeah, for everything. Like if you do any, if you're in studies or anything, they want us to excel. I think so. At one point of time, they'll say like, why did you score 100? Why did you score 110? I have seen parents like that. So मेरा reason question पूछने का ये था क्योंकि जो ये भी पॉडकास्ट सुनेंगे दे आर यंग पेरेंट्स, उनके बच्चे हैं, एंड हाउ सेफ इज़ फॉर देम. लाइक यू नो राइट, इंडिया में लोगों को करियर पहले देखना है कि लाइक बच्चा मेरा ये बना, बड़ा होके ये बनेगा और या बड़ा होके वो बनेगा. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक फॉर पेरेंट्स, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि you have been very supportive, like I think so parenthood तुम्हारी बहुत सपोर्टिव हुई है. उनको क्या लगता है कि ये जो इंडियन पेरेंट्स हैं जो चाहते हैं, लाइक फॉर एन एग्जांपल मी एज एन आई वांट माय किड टू लाइक बी कि वो खेले, लेकिन फ्यूचर कैसे दिखता है, लाइक तुमको क्या लगता है कि लाइक दे शुड बी लाइक how should they start to train their kids?
See, I am no expert in this, but like growing up
pretty young, but I think so you have seen a lot, right? Like I think this generation
like,
Z have seen a lot compared to what we have seen.
I mean I'm in that generation where I've grown up with millennials, and I've been with the Gen Z guys too. So it's kind of a blend, I think.
Yeah, that's
so. Getting to your question, see, if you're looking sports as a career, I think you're putting a lot of pressure on the kid.
Oh, that's it. That is.
It is. I think it is.
Okay. So like sorry, continue. I'm sorry.
But if you are taking it as a character building, character development activity where the kid learns to do 10 things, 10 new things about himself, about the sport, about the world. So I think he has to learn for himself what's right for himself. I mean, you can always guide him and show him a path.
Right.
But for him, it is his choice to be made, but not in the young age, like not when he's 10, 9. But there comes an age like around 15 or 16, like late teenage. that kid decides for himself ki I know what I want and I'm going to do it. Till then, I think parents should be very, very, fluid. Very fluid about letting things just flow.
Okay.
Like, may it be any sport.
Got it.
Like,
So,
sorry, continue.
no, I'm sorry. See, sorry guys, like this is gonna be a random things. Like we can, I'll raise questions for whatever he says. Where that point where he says that that parents have to be very supportive and everything. I have a question. Like, so when a kid they want they. You one day morning you get up and you say like I want my kid to be a footballer. You see a cricket match and you say he just like I want my kid to be a cricketer. But don't you think like they start with the expectations ki like my kid has to be like this, or see you have been with Indian parents and like you're playing professional football, you're getting paid. Is there money in this game? Like I'm like football, football is little bit still bucking up in India, but the only thing is there money in it? Do a parent who starts with like sees like okay my kid gets trained, but in future will he makes money even if he don't make big? That's my question.
Yeah, like this question, I'll answer it like it'll be a very detailed answer.
No problem, man. Go ahead. We have a lot of time, and people are if they are listening to this thing, then I think so they have a hell lot of time.
Yeah, so like answering your question, it would be like, I mean, it's a very difficult question to answer because like the demographic here is, can you earn? It depends on your perspective, right? Earn मतलब कितना होना चाहिए मतलब for you.
जैसे अभी तुम भी बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स के साथ खेल रहे हो, होंगे ना जिनका फैमिली कंडीशन सही नहीं होगा और वो उनकी रोजी रोटी बन चुका है. तो हैव यू मेट विद पीपल लाइक उनके पेरेंट्स उनको फोर्स करे कि प्लीज क्विट, कम इनटू अ जॉब? लाइक आप डिटेल में आंसर दो लेकिन उसके साथ ये भी इंक्लूड कर दो. विद एन एग्जांपल. मतलब
मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं यार, मतलब दे आर जस्ट living paycheck to paycheck, I would say. Just on football, just through football.
So it's tough.
It's tough. Like but it's in the initial stage it is tough everywhere. Like you can't
actually right.
I mean even if you are going to be a billionaire or building a multi-billion dollar company, at the beginning stages, I don't think, I mean, you just have to live pay to check or in debt actually.
Okay. No, that's what the thing is, right? Like if my kid don't play sport, I am talking as an Indian parent, मेरा बच्चा स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलता, पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन ग्रेजुएट होने के बाद 20,000 की नौकरी तो ले लेगा, तो इज दैट कि लाइक इतना पैसा बन जाता है कि वो यहाँ वहाँ से खेल के जितना भी, इफ इज एन एवरेज प्लेयर ऑल्सो, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि वो स्टार बन जाएगा.
If you can play in the lower leagues, I think you can just live by.
You can, okay.
I mean, you can survive obviously, but it depends on how your standard of living is, right?
Okay. So like financial condition matters कि
आप. It does matter, I think, because for me, I'll put myself in the shoes for your question. मेरे parents are financially sound.
ठीक है, सही है.
ठीक है. मतलब I don't have to worry about giving my contribution to the household expenses.
Get it. And I think so most of like see like you go ahead, like I just don't want to get into that thing, but yeah, you go ahead.
Yeah, so but there are families where parents are dependent on their kids to घर चलाना है भाई, मतलब थोड़ा पैसे चाहिए मुझे, मतलब if you are not earning through football, earn through something. And football after COVID is getting a little tougher,
okay,
to be honest, but you just have to hold on. I mean,
so see, like I have a question, like is it a rich man game now?
No, definitely not. You just
like
if you compare it to if you compare it to any other sport, football is the cheapest sport that there is.
No,
I
get it, but like I send my kid I say like okay, stay easy on the studies. You know how much even you have graduated, so you know how much pressure you have of studies. I think so. And with international CBSE, I don't know what boards are there in India right now. Earlier we had only
SSC.
one board, yeah. So
Hindi, English, Marathi.
Marathi, that's it, right? So like, see, eventually, like, from your point is like, parents has to be financially a little bit sound to train them, or a person from a poor place can. Do you have any examples like in this current world? I'm not talking about Pele and all these old peoples.
If we have to come through a very rough patch or very struggling situations, I think you have to be extraordinary. You can't be average in that situation,
Right.
and that's what makes the difference, right?
I get it.
It does have a lot of for the people who are financially sound, as in me, we do have a head start.
Right.
Definitely, I accept it. I mean, I have a lot of privileges that most of the people don't have.
Okay, get it. Yeah. So, I wanted to give you an example. Like, you can give me an example. Like, are there people who play with you and they are facing that struggle, but they're very passionate about their game, and you think they can do big or something in their life?
Yeah, definitely. There are a lot of friends of mine, like I said, like they are living to paycheck and paycheck, but like they just you gotta have a vision. Like you gotta know your process. You trust in your process. Like आज नहीं है पैसा मेरे पास यार, but I know कि मतलब once I go through this process, I know my worth and I'm going to be there.
Right.
And they just hold on. I mean, they work double time. They do odd jobs.
Okay.
Like they'll work for some I don't know, call center or any other menial job to support their family, but with that they'll fucking practice and play what they love.
So as this topic is as we started as of we wanted to know that how a normal person thinks and a sportsman's have their thing. I have one more question for you, is like so see, as a normal person I see outside and I say कि यार पहचान होनी चाहिए आगे बढ़ने के लिए, स्पोर्ट्स में पहचान होनी चाहिए. एंड यू नो इंडिया इट्स लाइक एक्सेप्ट IT एंड ऑल दैट, इसमें कोई पहचान की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. गवर्नमेंट जॉब या स्पोर्ट्स में पहचान होनी चाहिए. इज इट ट्रू समवॉट, और मतलब what like I just don't want you to be very straightforward in it, but like politically correctly, लेकिन सामने वाले को पता.
No, I want to be straightforward in this.
Okay.
To be honest. If you are extraordinary, you will be there. And if you are just like all the other average or mediocre or good players, I think you'll start blaming other situations, other people getting there where you can't be. That's just blaming something that's not in your control. If you blame something what's not in your control, you'll have to think otherwise.
Oh, okay. So like round back to the same thing which I started with. What is the right age to get into football?
As नंबर वाइज कितने साल का होना चाहिए?
या वही कितने साल का होना चाहिए? एक पेरेंट्स को कब समझ में आएगा कि मेरा बच्चा अब खेल सकता है?
चलना स्टार्ट किया.
Seriously?
I mean, for me at least, growing up, when I could stand, I remember I had a bat in my hand.
Oh my god.
And my brother too. My brother was 5 and he started playing season, like proper Seriously? Leather cricket. Yes.
5?
Yeah, 5 or 6.
God.
He started playing leather cricket. So that's where all the game is, right? If I would have started playing football at the age of 5, I would have had so many hours up until now. That's why European footballers.
Get it. Got it. So like right now you are as I know you personally, a lot of people here don't know. You have your academy. You started with your academy and everything. So like for a parent to come into your academy, it's not the thing, right? Like even we go to school. जब हमने graduation किया या जो भी किया, हम स्कूल में पढ़ते तो थे, ठीक है. लेकिन घर पे आके एक पेरेंट्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है जब आप सीख के जाते हो. when you put like स्कूल में या academy, आप you are running it, so you know better कि ठीक है बच्चा खेल के गया, बच्चों को आपने 1 घंटा प्रैक्टिस, आधा घंटा प्रैक्टिस दिया, लेकिन एक पेरेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है घर जाके, व्हाट ही शुड ही लाइक उसको ही शुड वही कोचिंग क्लासेस के भरोसे रहो, या यू नीड टू एज लाइक be responsible.
Every parent knows their kid, right?
Yeah.
So he knows their grasping power. He knows how smart he is.
How to talk to him.
How to talk
convince him.
Yeah. I mean, if the kid is doing very good in what he's doing, I think the parents should just let him be. I mean, the best way is to to mold an individual in sports is let him be. That's how he'll know. That's how he'll be creative. Like if you try to show him if you try to mold him, he won't be himself.
By showing him matches or something. And
that's a good thing. I mean, that's a good thing. Like he'll see different things, right?
Get it.
He'll see different things. He'll see new things.
So so football, like when you play as a striker, right?
Yeah.
So how do you like? See, when I get a like accounting entry, or I get a problem to solve, I have a fixed formula. I know what to use and what not to use. Sometimes I have to go out of the box. So when you be at the striker end, and what runs into your brain, like when you're scoring something, does it requires, because even you have graduated, you have a good degree, and you are very good in accounting, which I have seen. So does math, skills, and all this are important when you're playing the game?
See, talking about skills and everything, football, like there's a very famous quote a player said about something, like I think Pirlo said it.
Okay.
Andrea Pirlo. He said like football is played using your brain. Your feet are only
a
tools.
Tool. Okay.
So like all these factors, and they come into account, where yes, it does. I mean, it all comes up to decision making, right? If you are doing a math problem, if you are doing accounting, it is the decision you make that determines the outcome. If it tallies or not, it's all about the decisions you make throughout the math problem or accounting problem. That's how football is. The decision you make at that time. If I'm a striker, it all comes down to the decision I make.
Got it. So the reason, like for people listening, the reason for having this conversation right now is you have seen sports stars, you have seen sportsmen talking about their struggle. They're talking. Who texted me? So people talking about their struggle, people talking about what they did. But I think so. Like we both agree to that thing, and I'm very thankful that Amay is clearing a lot of doubts which comes normally, and he has been grown up in this type of parenthood and within the surroundings. So it's very pretty much to make clear everyone ki like what is going on in a player's brain. It's not that he practice hard and he becomes a successful person. No, there are so many things surrounding to you that affects you as a player, as an individual. So about talking about the surroundings, like so for example, like I'm the society and I live in, there are a lot of so there are like people are restricted to play, and you know that it's Mumbai's problem. We don't have a lot of grounds. We don't have people restricting. So how much is important a surrounding for a kid who is learning and like football or sports or any sports? How important his surroundings around him to nurture and grow? Your thoughts on it?
Very, very important. Very important. Because like I said, like when we were growing up, I wasn't in this society. Like we were living in a different society.
Okay.
And udhar it was all about.
You were 90 kids, right?
Yeah. You could say that.
Yeah, so we had a lot of places to play.
Yeah, I mean there were grounds. Now they are udhar building ban gaye.
Right. Yeah, they're. But yeah, continue.
So like back in the days, it was like, I sound old now, but like back in the days it was.
Yeah, you're old than what I am. Sorry, go ahead.
So yeah, it was. Yeah, the environment, like every day I used to play like n number of sports. I remember I was cleaning my cupboard and I found this thing called Bhaura bolte usko, theek hai? So it was a very strong memory of mine of
तो भौरा वो रस्सी बांध के ना,
हाँ,
हम लट्टू बोलते हैं।
लट्टू, हाँ तो हाथ जाली लेना, फिर मतलब it
हाथ
was
जाली
all-
मतलब
हाथ जाली where you spin the bhaura and directly you put it in your hand.
what the fuck?
Yeah, it's a skill, I mean, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, okay.
So मतलब there गोटी यार, मतलब
हाँ हाँ वो सबने खेला यार।
कोएबा, गोटी,
I don't think so. 2000 kids
Nah.
they know what is marble, गोटी,
No.
कोएबा, that's ठीक है। So
that's
like,
what I'm saying. Every day there was a different sport. Like
हम्म।
खेल रहे, आज क्रिकेट खेल रहे, कल कोई कुछ
तो
और
वो
खेल
आपको
रहे.
कॉम्पिटिटिव फीलिंग देता है हर दिन।
डेफिनेटली
जान
भाई
और-
जीतना है,
हाँ।
भाई जीतना है, जीतना है, जीतना है.
Okay. So हाँ, so like so like टॉपिक तो फिर उसी पे शुरू हुआ है कि like how अब आते हैं उस पे पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्रेनिंग थिंग लाइक न्यूट्रिशन फॉर मैं स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं 5 दिन तेल का ना खाऊं और छठे दिन खा लूँ, आई एम गुड. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट स्पोर्ट्समैन के लिए एक न्यूट्रिशन एंड हाउ इज़ फॉर द किड्स who are growing up right now, जिनके जो they are like young, they are going to grow more. So is it like nutrition at that point of time important? क्योंकि बच्चे चॉकलेट्स ये वो सब करते हैं, तो पेरेंट्स के लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो अब भी उस पर कंट्रोल रहें या लेट देम बी व्हाट दे आर. एंड मतलब आपका क्या टेक है इसमें न्यूट्रिशन के टेक पे, इवन फॉर किड्स एंड फॉर द यंगर वंस टू, इवन हु आर नॉट प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स?
Alright, so it's all about how the kid feels. And it definitely is about control, right? Like everything in limitation is good.
Okay.
If you are obese, then definitely you should not indulge in all those things. And if you think like you can eat stuff at that age, parents should let the kids do what they want to, because it's not their career at that moment. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I mean, they are not getting any money or they are any monetary advantage. Like they are not earning through football at that age.
Right.
So I think unless and until you are not a professional, it should be eased off.
No, professional in the sense like कि yeah, sorry to interrupt you in between, but like Cristiano Ronaldo, what personality?
Class.
And health wise you can feel that too.
Superior being, I mean superior.
Right, like he's not a normal person, he's a superhuman. वो एक दिन आएगा बोलेगा I'm Thor, but उसी मामले में लेकिन उसी चीज़ पे बच्चे उनको देख रहे एंड पेरेंट्स भी देख रहे हैं, मेंटालिटी कहा जाती है कि न्यूट्रिशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और लेकिन बचपन से है यू क्लियर इट कि नो यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस इट राइट नाउ जब तक वो प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता.
And it's the kids' decision. Like some kids are very determined from the young age. Like me and my brother, like we knew कि where we see ourselves 10 years down the line. Okay. So we knew कि अभी मुझे इसकी तरह बनना है. Growing up Cristiano Ronaldo, obviously. Like everyone, like CR7. So I saw him as a inspiration. भाई मतलब if I have to be strong, if I have to be fast, if I have to be
तो लेकिन ये कब आया, कौन से एज पे आया?
around 15, 16. I started playing football at a very later age. So yeah.
Okay. तो उसके पहले क्रिकेट?
उसके पहले क्रिकेट.
ओके, इंडिया का स्पोर्ट
है मतलब क्रिकेट कौन नहीं जानता है, मतलब क्रिकेट सबको ग्रिप पता है, सबको स्टांस पता है, सबको 11 फील्डर्स पता है यार. फुटबॉल का किसी को पता है? नो. दैट्स व्हाई आई मीन आई वांट टू गेट स्टफ आउट देयर.
आई रिमेंबर आई प्लेड फुटबॉल और इतना गोल से हारे थे ना, उसके बाद साला कभी मन नहीं हुआ फुटबॉल खेलने का. बट हाँ, इसी पे मेरा एक क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि फॉर यंगर किड्स, लाइक यंगर किड्स, आप एकेडमी ओन करते हैं एंड जब आप लोग ट्रेन करते हैं बच्चे को और उनका प्रैक्टिस मैच या कुछ भी होता है, तो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ देम फॉर विनिंग? लाइक विनिंग उनके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है उस टाइम पे कि क्योंकि एज अ पेरेंट्स मैं बाहर से देखता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब मेरा बच्चा हार गया, मेरे बच्चे की टीम हार गई, सो मुझे बुरा लगता है. उसको नहीं फील हो रहा होगा क्योंकि वो तो खेल रहा है, लेकिन एज अ पेरेंट मुझे लगता है कि यार मेरा बच्चा कैसे हार गया ये, और इन लोग इतना नहीं दे रहे फोकस, ये सिखा नहीं पा रहे, उन्होंने कैसे सिखा दिया. तो क्या पेरेंट्स को वो देखना चाहिए या अ नॉर्मल पर्सन जो बाहर से देख रहा है गेम, उसको ये देखना चाहिए कि वो कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, मतलब
How well is he
वो
doing?
वो मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
So I would say कि it is a twofold question. The first part is where, like I said, the character development.
Competitiveness.
If the kid is, you know, a little bit disappointed कि वो हार रहा है, I think that's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
It is a good thing.
Okay.
Because the hunger increases. कि मुझे कैसा हराया भाई.
Interesting.
ठीक है. With that, he'll push himself in training.
Okay.
But from a coach's perspective, okay. From a coach's perspective, grassroots level पे हारना जीतना doesn't matter.
ठीक है.
It shouldn't matter because the kids are learning. The only thing matters is how much they learn in that hour of the game. अगर if you ask me as a coach or you know as a
This is a mentor. I last time when I saw मैं आपका गेम देखा, लेकिन मैं और बच्चे आके तुम्हारे पैर पड़ रहे थे. I don't know it's an Indian culture और क्या है, लेकिन
it should be banned, I think.
Actually it should be banned, but लेकिन do you feel like okay इनका फ्यूचर मेरे हाथ में है या मेरा.
Yeah, I do feel responsible. I think you should set an example for the younger generation. May it be anything, like even if you are walking down the line, if you're walking down the lane and people are looking up to you, you never know.
Okay.
I mean there are kids looking up to you, हाँ कि अमय भाई आया है.
अच्छा.
कि
अमय भाई ना.
अरे मतलब थोड़ा अंकल तो नहीं बोल सकता.
Now we are not uncle. अभी थोड़ा टाइम है अंकल बनने के.
So yeah, so like कि मतलब what is he wearing?
Right.
How is he carrying himself? What is he talking? The words I use. I mean all these things are very important. So kids are looking up to you, know it or not.
Right. Correct. So इस पे like एक और क्वेश्चन राइज होता है, एक और मेरा क्वेश्चन राइज होता है, जैसे कि you know हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम क्या है और हमारे पेरेंट्स क्या डंडा मार के पढ़ा कि लाइक बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा है. तो व्हेन यू गाइस कोच, आप लोग जब कोचिंग करते हैं या आप एक यंगर वन को देखते हो, कभी भी नॉट इवन इन योर अकेडमी, आप बाहर भी किसी को खेलते हुए देखते हो, तो व्हाट पीस ऑफ एडवाइस है? क्या आप एज एन कोच आप गुस्सा होते हो कि आपने ये गलत कर दिया, एक बच्चे ये तेरे को सिखाया था तूने ये नहीं किया, या यू गाइज लाइक टेक इट इन अ नाइसर वे, या मतलब क्या है लाइक how does like because you have been under coaches, right? You have been under a lot of coaches. तुमने इतने सारे खेले हैं, like अभी जूनियर कौन सा डिवीजन में खेल रहे हैं आप?
अभी आई लीग
क्वालिफायर्स के लिए आप खेल रहे हैं,
सेकंड डिवीजन आई लीग,
एंड यू हैव प्लेड फॉर 2-3 टीम्स. तो आपको अभी लोगों के कोचिंग का पता भी चल गया है, एंड राइट नाउ इवन यू आर कोच राइट नाउ. सो हाउ डज इट मैटर्स कि आप फोकस करते हो कि लाइक कि ना इसमें ज़्यादा प्रेशर ना डाला जाए, या जब मतलब जब कोई गलती करता है, मेरा बच्चा टेबल में गलती करता है तो मैं पेल देता हूँ उसको, लेकिन तुम क्या करते हो? लाइक व्हाट डू यू गाइस डू? व्हाट इज योर अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स इट?
being a coach, like we are not their parent, all right? So like definitely we don't have rights to school, and I think being a coach you should not at all put that loud or that angry presence on the field. It creates a very negative environment for the kids to grow in. वो सीखने आए हैं, मतलब वो घर पे नहीं तो भी पेरेंट्स से अगर कुछ किया होगा तो पेरेंट्स डांटते ही है. तो वही चीज़ अगर हम लोग फील्ड पे करेंगे तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? वो चीज़ दे आर कमिंग देयर टू लर्न समथिंग, ऑलराइट? दे आर नॉट कमिंग देयर टू मतलब गाली खाने तो आए नहीं है.
नहीं, सही बात,
सीखने आए हैं.
हाँ, सही बात.
तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट वे टू यू नो शो दैट थिंग कि वी आर हियर फॉर यू. It's a very difficult thing to do. I mean, being a player also sometimes you're like, अरे यार ये अच्छा कर सकता था. I know.
हाँ, okay.
You know,
right.
You know a kid growing up, and he's been playing, and you know कि he can do so much better.
Right.
But you can't go and scold that kid. आपको you have to be a little patient.
Patience, okay.
I mean, I'm not an expert on this. These are all my views.
No, it's not about being expert because you have played under coaches and you have grown up as a sportsman from your childhood. तो आजकल बच्चे वही अब फोकस हो रहा है कि आप बचपन से ही आप उसमें जा रहे हैं. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप ये सब बात बताओ तो कि एक पेरेंट्स को भी समझ में आए, एक नॉर्मल पर्सन को समझ में आए, या किसी को भी जो फुटबॉल में जाना चाहते हैं उसको समझ में आए कि क्या आप कितना मेंटली आपको प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा इस सब चीज़ों के लिए. तो वही इसी बात पे एक और क्वेश्चन मेरा राइज होता है. Am I asking too many questions?
No, it's what it's all about.
So the question is like कि अभी जितना हम स्पोर्ट्स देखते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स अब पेपर का गेम नहीं है या फील्ड का गेम नहीं है, बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो गई है. देयर आर स्टैटिस्टिक्स, आप स्टैटिस्टिक्स पे जाते हो, आप नेक्स्ट जो लास्ट गेम हुआ था उसके ग्राफ वाफ पता नहीं, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट यू हैव प्लेड, तुमको पता है. तो हाउ इजी इट इज़ टू कन्वे विद किड्स, लाइक किड्स को ये सब आप कन्वे कैसे कर पाते हो कि लाइक हाउ यू मेक श्योर कि आप कैसे इसको उन पे डालें, या इवन इन योर लाइफ ऑल्सो कि अभी भी आप खेल ही रहे हो यार, यू आर अ किड, तो how the coaches they come and they say कि like ये हुआ था and how you take it, because you know right, ये तो फील्ड का गेम है. as a player you will be like you don't care about statistic and everything, या क्या हो रहा है, क्या ग्राफ है. तो how do you cope up with it and how do you make sure कि ये इनबिल्ड हो बच्चों में, क्योंकि ये फ्यूचर तो है.
So like if you have to make a superstar, you have to treat him one from day one.
Okay. अच्छा.
Yeah, I mean, if you see a kid, you know, he is going to make it to the national team, or he is going to play in the bigger leagues, or he might even play for the European teams. You know, you never know. This is just a start for the Indian football, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like we are called a sleeping giant, and I believe it.
अच्छा.
And I do believe it. Like strong belief है मेरा.
हाँ.
तो that's I think सुनील चेत्री का एक इंटरव्यू था. सुनील
अच्छा.
चेत्री, उन्होंने कहा था कि मतलब कि किधर
On
कोई
that note, have you met Sunil Shetty?
Yeah, like I have, like I've played against him too.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, he was a very he got injured. He had a hamstring injury.
Mm-hmm.
We were playing against Mumbai. I was in Air India.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah, and he was playing for Mumbai City that time.
Okay.
Mumbai City FC. So we had a practice game just for them to get warmed up for the season, and we played a practice. That was Diego Forlan.
Okay. So back to the question again कि आगे आने वाला जो मॉडर्नाइज फुटबॉल है उसके लिए हाउ द किड शुड गेट रेडी या ए नॉर्मल पर्सन शुड गेट रेडी, कि जहाँ पे ग्राफ्स और ये सब मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स जो मुझे तो लगता है मुझे एज अ पर्सन मुझे लगता है कि प्लेयर को घंटा समझ में आता है. प्लेयर आई डोंट थिंक सो प्लेयर अंडरस्टैंड दैट. प्लेयर अंडरस्टैंड्स कि जब वो ग्राउंड पे होता है एंड व्हाट ही डज, वो क्या खेल रहा है. तो लाइक इज इट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ कि तुम बच्चों में वो इनबिल्ड कर रहे हो या आप अपने लाइफ में वो इनबिल्ड कर रहे हो कि ये भी एक पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ है फुटबॉल का.
Alright, so like you might know कि like we have introduced a thing called sports psychology in our curriculum, like in our academy.
And what is it, like a little bit थोड़ा सा उसके insight.
So we talk about the mental approach towards the game on and off the field. Okay. So it's a way to gauge thing. मतलब we can just पता कर सकते हैं कि what a kid is good in.
Okay.
For example, like you said, graphs और वो सब चीज़ें, statistics and everything, that is a part. ठीक है.
तो मतलब वो मैटर करता है फुटबॉल.
It does matter, definitely. It does.
So you can't like उससे बाहर आप जा ही नहीं सकते. मतलब वो है, वो भी पार्ट है.
That is a part. You can choose it.
Okay.
For Lionel Messi or the gifted players, I could say, they wouldn't like even look at the charts because they know
what they're gonna do. लेकिन फॉर एग्जांपल लियोनेल मेसी जैसा प्लेयर है, उस पे कोच आता है कि नहीं बेटा इस टाइम पे तूने ये किया था, ये गलत है, क्या वो उसको सुनने वाला है?
He listens. I think every football, I think even
क्योंकि तुम्हें भी आके बोलते होंगे ना, और तुझे पता है कि तेरा गेम क्या है, यू नो व्हाट इज योर गेम एंड व्हाट यू आर प्लेइंग, बट कल को आके तेरे को कोई बोलते हैं नहीं यार तू यहाँ से जो गया ना वो गलत था.
Like I said, the decisions you make, कोच ने बोला कि यू कांट ड्रिबल पास दिस प्लेयर, खाली पास करना है. ठीक है. दिस इज द कंडीशन द कोच हैज पुट. ज़्यादा ड्रिबल मत करो, जस्ट रिलीज द बॉल, 2 टच 3 टच. ठीक है.
ये भी होता है.
इट माइट हैपन, और हुआ भी. ठीक है. तो देयर माइट कम अ टाइम कि माई इंस्टिंक्ट से कि नहीं भाई मुझे आई हैव टू ड्रिबल दिस प्लेयर, आई कैन टेक हिम ऑन. आई थिंक आई एम क्विक, आई एम फास्ट इनफ टू टेक ऑन हिम. तो ये ऐसा है कि रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड वाला है. अगर आपने रिस्क लिया, ड्रिबल किया और कुछ अच्छा हो गया, तो कोच वोंट से अ सिंगल वर्ड.
अच्छा.
अगर रिस्क लिया और उसका रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिला, यू आर गोना पे फॉर इट. दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड द चॉइसेस यू मेक, द डिसीजंस यू मेक यू अ प्लेयर.
ओके.
अगर मैंने काट के गोल मार दिया तो कोच वोंट अटर अ सिंगल वर्ड, ही वुड बी लाइक यस
हाँ क्या?
यस. एंड इफ आई मेक अ मिस्टेक ऑन हिम,
ओके,
इट्स डन, खत्म. I'll have to
So
pay for it.
how's the dressing room after the match when you know you have messed up?
You just have to keep your head, like, I don't believe in keeping my head down. I just want to see how the coach's reaction is. The only thing is you listen and don't react. That's the best thing you can do. I mean, if you react, it adds a little bit rudeness to what. I think listening is underrated.
Right.
Very underrated.
Why?
Because everyone wants to put something out there कि भाई मुझे भी पता है मेरा सुनो मेरा
मैं भी ज्ञानी हूँ.
हाँ मतलब सब ज्ञानी है भाई.
हाँ, इंडिया में तो
everyone's an expert. Not in India, I think
everywhere.
Everyone's an expert.
Again.
Everyone's an expert, including me.
So one more question जो as in growing up और मैं बहुत सारे लोग को सुनता हूँ कि you played for India, right? So do college offer, like आप जब एक अच्छे प्लेयर बन जाते हो आपको स्कॉलरशिप या आपको एडमिशन, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ साला 90 जब आपको जाना है एंड्रूज में जाना है तो आपका 80-90 होना ज़रूरी है. अब तो साला 100 भी हो गया है, वो तो शॉकिंग है. बट हाँ, लाइक एज अ फुटबॉलर लाइक या एज अ स्पोर्ट्समैन आप जब एक अच्छे प्लेयर बन के निकलते हो, स्कूल लेवल पे अच्छा खेले हो, तो क्या ये आपके लिए कॉलेजेस जाने के लिए आपके रास्ते आसान करता है?
ज़रूर. Like it's an edge you get over others. Like if there's a kid who scored 90 and he's not played anything, like he'll have to go through the merit system.
Right.
And if you're a kid who's like, if you're a sports person and you've scored only 70, but the college team wants you, they'll make provisions
कि तुम्हें
अंदर लेना है. एंड यू
तो इस बात पे पेरेंट्स को डरना नहीं है कि शायद वो अगर अच्छा होता है या ही प्लेज गुड तो कहीं ना कहीं उसका कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाए.
That's what I'm saying. It builds a different personality altogether. You know things are going to work out.
Okay. Got it.
Now you don't give up. Like you're like, अरे आज नहीं अच्छा खेला तो it's not the end of it. Like you get up tomorrow, it's a new day.
Okay. So और क्वेश्चन जैसे कि रोल मॉडल्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है. मैंने जितने भी बड़े स्पोर्ट्समैन को सुना है या जितने भी बड़े इवन इन एनी फील्ड उनके रोल मॉडल्स होते हैं. हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज रोल मॉडल्स? लाइक अभी के बच्चे मेसी, रोनाल्डोज, पोग्बा, ये सबको देख के अपना
hair style change करते हैं, the way they dress
and the way they play also, way they walk also, and when they celebrate
same
जैसे कि मैं पिछली हफ्ते एक मैच देख रहा था एंड वहाँ पे बच्चे ने गोल मारा नहीं, he did like रोनाल्डो, उसने रोनाल्डो को किया. तो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट कि एक बच्चे के लाइफ में एक स्पोर्ट्समैन एज अ रोल मॉडल होना कितना ज़रूरी है, और वो अच्छा है बुरा है क्या है?
मेरे हिसाब से तो डेफिनेटली अच्छा है. Because he's pushing his limits, right?
Right.
If I want to be like Ronaldo, then I'll have to act like Ronaldo, then I'll have to run like Ronaldo, then I'll have to work out like Ronaldo. You know what I'm saying?
Get it.
You can't be Ronaldo, but you'll be at least 5% of what he is. Like not 5%. I'm just putting a random number out there. कि अगर तुम 10 pull-ups करते थे, तो तुम बोलोगे कि रोनाल्डो का जब I want to look like Ronaldo, so you will do 20.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Like if you have a role model, you will push your limits definitely.
So मैं पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था एंड दिस वाज नॉट ऑन द पॉडकास्ट, लेकिन हम पहले बात की थी तेरे से कि हमारा सिस्टम पढ़ाई के मामले में क्या है और हमारा सराउंडिंग जज करने के लिए हमको पहले ही आ जाता है. हाउ लाइक नाउ यू आर मैच्योर, अर्लियर तुमने यंगर एज में तो शायद नहीं समझा होगा. How difficult was for your parents when they see the other people doing MBA, IT, and you being a sportsman? See, I understand your family comes from the sports background, but लेकिन थोड़ा सा तो you're mature now, so you know कि होता होगा शायद. तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स होंगे या बहुत सारे सराउंडिंग होंगे कि आपका बेटा फुटबॉल ही खेल रहा है, आपका बेटा क्रिकेट खेल रहा है या कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स खेल रहा है, लेकिन उनका बच्चा IIT कर रहा है और MBA करने जा रहा है, तो वो उससे कैसे बचे?
I mean, there is no escaping. बच तो नहीं सकते. No, there are mouths everywhere. I can say like.
पर mentally prepare कैसे?
You have to be mentally prepared.
Okay.
I mean,
you have to trust in your kid, like
definitely, like even my now when like we are out for a function or something like that, when I like everyone asks कि क्या कर रहा है, क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, and I'm like I play football.
Okay. And how do you take it? मतलब
like that's what
facial expression तो पता चल जाता होगा,
मतलब फुटबॉल के साथ क्या कर रहा है. I mean, what is that question? I didn't get the question. मैं प्रोफेशनली फुटबॉल खेल रहा हूँ. That's how I live. That's what I wanted to say. But they are like फुटबॉल खेलते हैं मतलब कॉलेज से खेलता है क्या? मतलब I'm like no.
तो मतलब नॉलेज आपको लोग पता है ना, नॉलेज की कमी है यहाँ पे.
प्रोफेशनल
फुटबॉल प्रोफेशनल स्पोर्ट्समैन का हमारे यहाँ पे टर्म ही नहीं है लगता.
नहीं
जब तक आप बड़ा करके आप टीवी पे ना हो.
खाली 3-4 चीज़ है ना, मतलब गवर्नमेंट जॉब है, IT है, जो भी इंजीनियर IT है, बैंक में जॉब है, वही है. मतलब देयर आर हैंडफुल ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू कैन बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोसाइटी.
अच्छा, तो अभी आप जो कर रहे हैं, वी डोंट वांट टू नो योर सैलरी, बट आप लिविंग बना रहे हो.
हाँ, डेफिनेटली. मतलब आई डोंट, बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड, बिकॉज I don't have to give my contribution for the household expenses. I can live by myself. मतलब
जी तो सकते हैं
आराम से,
भूखे नहीं मरे.
नहीं भूखे नहीं मरे.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So anything more you want to add, या आपको like as हमारा point यही था कि लोगों को clearly बताना कि क्या स्पोर्ट्समैन दिखते हैं, फेम सब कुछ दिखता है, लाइफ बड़ी दिखती है, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि और इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज कि बंदे को चैलेंजिंग लाइफ जी के ही एक स्पोर्ट्समैन, बड़ा स्पोर्ट्समैन बनना है. यू कैन बी अ स्पोर्ट्समैन विद अ नाइस लाइफ स्टाइल ऑल्सो. आपके मॉम डैड अच्छा हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें इतना कोई बड़ा रोल प्ले नहीं करता है कि आप बहुत तकलीफ़ों से गुजर के आए हो. आई थिंक सो हमारे देश में हमको सब तकलीफ़ों से ही गुजर रहे, कुछ ना कुछ तकलीफ़ है. लाइक हाउ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, जैसे अभी तुमने बताया कि फैमिली मेम्बर्स लाइक पूछते हैं कि स्कूल फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो, कॉलेज फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो, जोक आप और कैसे आप लेते हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम कवर करेंगे दूसरे पॉडकास्ट में. लेट्स सी द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ पीपल, हाउ दे गेट इट. इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग यू कैन गो अहेड मैन.
I would like to just thank you for getting this idea out there and manifesting this thing.
But it was very needed. Like you आपने नहीं तारीफ कर ले पहले तो. But it was very important क्योंकि मैं एक फील्ड स्पोर्ट्समैन बोलते हैं ना कि वी वांटेड टू बी, बट हमको नहीं, हम सिर्फ वो ग्लैमर देखते थे. हमको था कि बनेंगे एक दिन, बट लेकिन उसके लिए कितना हार्ड वर्क और क्या नेसेसरी है, आप क्या गो थ्रू से हुए हो. व्हेन मैंने जिस साथ कॉन्वर्जेशन की तो आई थिंक सो वी केम अप विद द आइडिया टुगेदर कि लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको ये नहीं पता है और वो डर रहे हैं और वो उनका बच्चा होगा बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन दे डोंट वांट टू. तो शायद 4 लोगों की भी हम हेल्प कर जाएं तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ होगी, राइट?
I read a quote like it said कि even if you can help one person, like with like even if I'm posting a story or a post whatever it is, I mean even if I get to just just reach that one person where I can make a difference, and I think that would be it for me. It's ठीक हो जाएगा यार, मतलब ठीक है बस. मतलब मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना कि लाखों करोड़ों लोग को पहुंचना चाहिए. इट वुड बी बेटर, मतलब बहुत सही होगा चीज़. बट इवन इफ वन गाय लिसनिंग टू दिस होल पॉडकास्ट, आई मीन आई वुड बी हैप्पी.
सी लाइक हाँ, दैट्स द थिंग. वही हमारी रीच है. हमें चाहते हैं कि अगर एक जन की भी लाइफ इससे थोड़ी सी बदल सकती है, उनका चेंज ऑफ परसेप्शन हो जाता है. जहाँ भी हम पोस्ट करें, अभी तो हमको नहीं पता है कहाँ पोस्ट होगा, लेकिन अगर कमेंट्स में इफ़ यू आर मोर क्वेश्चंस एनीथिंग, वी हैव नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट बट येस ही हैज़ गोन थ्रू द सिस्टम. वो इसी सोसाइटी में बड़ा हुआ है बचपन से. वो दोनों किड है, 90s जेन जनरेशन सबके साथ है. वो समझ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. लाइक टू शेयर योर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल और एनीथिंग, ट्विटर, वेयर पीपल कैन आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस.
आई मीन या आई विल पुट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन.
श्योर, विल इंक्लूड डिस्क्रिप्शन में इंक्लूड करेंगे. आपको कोई भी सवाल है प्लीज़, और आपको अगर कोई भी टॉपिक कवर करना है, हैप्पी टू डू दैट थिंग. सो देखते हैं कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है एंड वी शो वी गोना डू इट नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई थिंक सो इट्स कितना हो गया भाई, 50 मिनट हो गया. ठीक है, चलो.